Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can fix login issues on Revolut. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. So before starting, make sure you have the correct plan or version that supports this feature so you have full access to everything you need. So first, you will open Revolut app, so make sure that your country has this, and then you will tap forget PIN or password if login fails. Then, after that, you will enter your registered email and then go ahead and tap reset. Then, after that, you will check your email and then you will follow the link to reset the password or PIN. If and then once reset, you will open your app and then you will log in with new credentials. Then you will contact Revolut support via in-app chat if issue persists. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much and have a good day.